Priyadarshini Academy was founded by none other than Mr. Nanak Rupani, has been to take this NGO to new heights.
Wonderful people on the dais and wonderful people in the audience. But I can say one thing, plus what I have done after becoming chairman of Priyadarshini, that I have the largest number of ladies on the dais ever in the history of 30 years.
Priyadarshini Academy relies on teamwork and a collective spirit.
I think it's a pleasure, it's an honor, it's a matter of great pride for me to be associated.
Priyadarshini is a well-established NGO which promotes the growth and development of education and various other aspects of society. The Academy sets higher standards and goals with each passing year. For the last 2 decades, the Academy has grown enormously, adding new feathers to its cap. Over the years, the Academy has not only grown in stature, but has evolved manifold, enveloping wider global and international dimensions. The activities of the Academy are broad-based.
Respected Vice President, respected Prime Minister, respected Speaker of Lok Sabha, respected Sonia Gandhi ji, Honorable Ministers, Honorable Members of Parliament, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. As the Chairman of Priyadarshini Academy, I deem it my proud privilege and honor to present to the Parliament of India the portrait of late Sri Rajiv Gandhi, the former Prime Minister of India.
Parliament functions. Chairman Shri Nanak Rupani had the privilege and honour of presenting a portrait of Shri Rajiv Gandhi for installation in the Central Hall of Parliament in New Delhi. Scholarships. Priyadarshini Academy provides educational scholarships to deserving and financially needy school and college students to excel in their chosen fields. Literary awards. From its very inception, the Academy has been committed to recognizing writers in various languages throughout the country. Vedic Research Project. The Centre fosters the study, research and rediscovery, as well as presentation of the wealth of knowledge our ancestors have handed down to us. National integration through dance and music. Under this project, the Academy organizes programs featuring young and talented artists in music and dance.
My dear friend and a great social worker, and I would call him a great leader. Mr. Nanik Rupani for this great event he has organized today. Priyadarshini Academy is at the forefront of bringing new ideas to fore. I would say Mr. Nanik Rupani is a pioneer of this idea. He is the one who did not start this idea to promote his academy, but he pioneered this idea to recognize the good talent available in the society.
Extend a very warm welcome to you all as the chairman of the Global Awards Committee. Priyadarshini Academy has had 30 years, 3 decades of glorious journey, and I'm very proud to say that for at least a decade I've been associated with this selection of the awardees.
Thank you, Priyadarshini Academy, for giving me this honor.
Thank you so much. It's an honor to be here getting this award. I'm really grateful to the foundation. Thank you so much.
Priyadarshini Academy and all those who have invested their time in it, devoted their time in it, deserve to be congratulated and complimented. For me, it's a privilege to be here. Thank you very much.
Priyadarshini Academy Global Awards. This is a unique concept which was undertaken for the first time in India by the Academy to place India on the global cultural map.
We are very, very honored, sir, Mr. Kamal Nath ji, Mr. Jayant Patil, Mr. Suresh Prabhu.
I'm very honored to receive this award, the Priyadarshini Academy Award.
The Priyadarshini Academy Global Awards. Here's a peek at what makes the awards and the ceremony so special.
The awards are instituted to acknowledge and honor outstanding contributions by achievers in various fields and disciplines. National and international awards are bestowed upon distinguished personalities from all over the world for their outstanding contribution in their respective disciplines.
The occasion is an important occasion, and indeed I'm happy to be here today. Maybe after a long time, but this particular function has impressed me a lot.
Here I stand in this very room with every one of you having lives enriched by so much of experience, far more than I could ever talk home about. And yet here I stand at this very moment, blessed by this moment, to have been the recipient of such an honor.
मैं नानक रूपानी जी का और उनके साथियों का अभिनंदन करता हूं कि गत 12 सालों से इस कार्यक्रम को वो चला रहे हैं। जीवन के विभिन्न क्षेत्रों में जो गुणवत्ता प्राप्त है उनका यहाँ अभिनंदन होता है, उनको अवार्ड दिया जाता है। ये अवार्ड आज प्रदान किया गया, उन सब का मैं अभिनंदन करता हूँ।
Ladies and gentlemen, this is a very special award to a very special person, and I would now request Shri Pranab Mukherjee to kindly say a few words in response.
I express my gratitude to Priyadarshini Academy.
Provati Sukarno Putri. She is a member of the House of Representatives, Foreign and Inter-Parliamentary Commission of Indonesia.
Thank you very much.
How does it feel?
Of course, I'm very honored and very happy to have this award.
But infrastructural development now goes to Shri Nitin Gadkari.
To receiving this prestigious award by Priyadarshini Academy, there was a dream in my mind that we can make India of the international standard. And when Nanik Rupani and myself were there in Japan, there were a lot of express highway was there. At that time we decided to construct this express highway, and it's really a great honor for me.
It's a great honor for me to be here today to receive this global award for the betterment of world environment.
मैं समझता हूँ कि नानिक रूपानी जी ने यह जो आयोजन किया है पिछले 18 साल से, मैं तो एक बार पहले आया हूँ, ये सचमुच अद्भुत है। जितनी प्रशंसा उनकी की जाए वो कम है, और इसका प्रबंध तो यहाँ के महाराष्ट्र की सरकार को करना होगा, या मुंबई की कॉरपोरेशन को करना होगा, या यहाँ के धनाढ्य लोगों को करना होगा कि यहाँ मुंबई के शहर में एक बड़ा ऑडिटोरियम हो कि जहाँ पर जितने लोग वो चाहते हैं उतने लोग आ सके। आज जो स्थिति है उसमें तो इनको ओबेरॉय टावर्स में ही ये सबसे बड़ा मिला है। मैं बहुत बहुत बधाई देता हूँ उनको, और इस प्रकार के कार्यक्रम का बहुत उपयोग है सब दृष्टि से। इस आज के अवसर पर जिन जिन लोगों को सम्मानित किया गया है वे सब के सब अचीवर्स हैं, वे सब के सब ऐसे लोग हैं जिन्होंने अपने अपने क्षेत्र में उपलब्धि की है और अपने अपने देश का ही नहीं लेकिन अपने अपने क्षेत्र की शान बढ़ाई है। उन सबको बहुत बहुत बधाई, बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं।
For outstanding contribution, in which we would like to recognize the services of the stalwart from the sector of information and technology, none other than the first gentleman of this field, Mr. N.R. Narayan Murthy.
I'd like to take this opportunity to sincerely congratulate the Chairman Rupani and all his collaborators.
Every year I request Nanik Bhai to spare me from making a speech and to spare you all from hearing it.
For outstanding contribution to banking and financial services, which goes to none other than our own Mr. Deepak Parekh, Chairman, HDFC Limited, India.
I am truly honored and humbled to be presented this award by the Academy.
At the age of 96, his spirit is young, ever fresh and radiant, as he carries the message of spirituality, love, peace, and humanity around the globe.
Do your duty. Do your duty sincerely, honestly, earnestly, faithfully, and the portals of perfection will be open unto you.
This has been a wonderful ceremony. One of the most looked after events, not just by us, but by people all over the world. And literally this time the world was here, Miss World was there also.
But thank you all of you for being with us in this program. I'm saying us because I believe myself to be as much a part of Priyadarshini Academy as
associated with Nanik Rupani and particularly with this Priyadarshini Academy in its initial stages. But today, when I witnessed this kind of a function, I must compliment Mr. Nanik Rupani for your sincere efforts and taking everybody with you. That is your specialty.
उपस्थित भाई और बहनों, 34 साल से प्रियदर्शन एकेडमी की ओर से हमारे देश के और समाज में जो टैलेंटेड लोग हैं इनका गौरव किया जाता है। मैं भी उनमें से एक हूँ कि मुझे शायद 2001 या 2002 में प्रियदर्शनी अवार्ड मिला था और वो मैं याद रखता हूँ।
Behind 34 years of Priyadarshini Academy, but he certainly has been a true friend, philosopher, guide and mentor to many of us in this room, including me. So I think a big round of applause for Nanik Bhai.
फिरते हैं मेरे वर्गी और न होनी वे वर्गी और न होनी वर्गी और न होनी तू मुंडा बिल्कुल देसी है मैं कटरी ना तो सूढ़ी में.
I don't know how to thank Mr. Rupani because he is like a one-man army, always fighting for good causes. Priyadarshini Academy organized this event, that's only one in a year, on the same day, 19 September, whatever happens the same day. But he does so many programs throughout the year, in which the deprived section of society are taken care of. He goes and literally begs for these people. He goes and appeals to so many good philanthropists to support such good causes for doing a good work. I wish to congratulate all the winners. I only wish them and hope that you will now do even more work in your respective fields because you have now been recognized by a very prestigious organization like Priyadarshini Academy. Government of India has also benefited from it because we can recognize such good work which otherwise would have probably gone unnoticed.